Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Ever watched a courtroom drama where the judge bangs a gavel and declares, "Court is adjourned"? It's a classic movie moment, but what does adjourn actually mean in a real court of law? In the simplest terms, to adjourn means to pause or end a court session. Think of it like hitting the pause button on the legal proceedings. This pause can be for a very short time or a very long time, depending on the situation. Let's break down the different ways this happens. First, you have the most common type of adjournment, which is just a temporary break. A judge might adjourn court for a lunch break, or at the end of the day to be continued the next morning. This is routine. A judge might also adjourn a case for a few days or weeks. This could be to give the lawyers more time to gather evidence, find a witness who is hard to locate, or allow a witness who is sick to recover. When the court comes back, it just picks up right where it left off. Then there's a more serious sounding term, adjourn sine die. Sine die is a Latin phrase that means without a day. When a case is adjourned sine die, it's being paused indefinitely, with no specific date set for it to resume. This often happens when a case is settled out of court or when there's a reason to put the proceedings on hold for a long, uncertain period. While it can technically be brought back, it often signals the end of the matter for practical purposes. So, who makes the call? The judge is the one with the authority to adjourn the court. However, the lawyers for either the prosecution or the defense can request an adjournment, which is also commonly called a motion for a continuance. They have to provide a good reason, like a key piece of evidence not being available yet or needing more time to prepare their arguments. The judge will listen to the reason and decide whether or not to grant the pause. It's not an automatic yes. The judge has to balance the need for a delay with the need to keep the case moving forward efficiently. So, to recap, adjourning is simply the official term for stopping a court hearing. It can be a short break for lunch, an overnight stop, or a longer pause to allow for more preparation. In some cases, it's an indefinite stop, known as sine die. It's a fundamental tool that judges use to manage the courtroom and ensure the legal process is fair and orderly. We hope this clears things up. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more simple explanations of legal terms. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.